Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Stremio Playback error. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is often the culprit. Go to the speedtest.net or fast.com to check your speed. If it's slow or inconsistent, restart your router. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi or mobile network. Step 2. Update the Stremio app. Using the outdated app can lead to bug and performance issues. Visit the official Stremio website or your app store. Download the latest version of the app and install it. Step 3. Clear the cache. Corrupted cache files can cause playback issues. Step 4. Try using or disabling a VPN. Step 5. Reinstall Stremio app. Step 6. Try a different device. Then the final step is contact Stremio support. If none of the above works, visit the official Stremio support page, describe your issue, and request help from their technical team. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.